Hi guys! Yung dalawang araw natin na day off tapos na. So it's time for me to get back to work. And for today's very short vlog, I'll give you an idea about my job. What I usually do, like a routine. What's my routine as a team associate at Walmart. So guys, I'll take you with me. We'll do a little bit walk in my area and I'll show you what a $16 per hour job looks like here in the USA. So, let's go! Andito na tayo guys. I'm assigned at apparel department in men's area. I've been working here every day for a month and a half now. So my job, I do zoning. Zoning guys, it means like you just rearrange like the one in the racks, you arrange them by sizes. You put the small size in the front and the big sizes in the back, like just by sizes and by colors. Yung mga nakatupi naman na gaya nito, I just need to check them kung yun din by sizes, kung nasa tamang lugar sila. And then like this one, I need to refold them and arrange them and check the barcode kung may price tag pa sila kasi madali yung natanggal yung mga stickers nila eh. And then gaya nito dito sa spinner, I just need to, put them back where the customer left them and I put them back where they belong. And we're also dealing with returns. So yung mga returns naman galing sa customer service at saka sa fitting room, I just need to put them back where they belong. So, yun lang guys. So, yan ang $16 per hour na trabaho ko guys, or 800 pesos per hour na trabaho ko dito sa Walmart. Very easy. I'm not really sure guys if I'm really allowed to take videos here, but I just want to show you a little bit about my job, and this is just a little bit of walkthrough in my area, in the men's area. So thanks for watching guys, and please don't forget to subscribe, and see you next time. God bless you all.